This is the homepage of our skincare tracking app with an interactive calendar that displays the routine you've been following so far. Here is the shelf where you can find all the products you've been using. You can add new products that you plan to use from the product database. Then let's see one of the most important data collection feature, the routines journal. You can consult routines details and click on the change button if you want to change your current routine. Here you can add products from your shelf to existing routines, or you can add a new routine with a name, a frequency like morning, evening, and the associated weekdays, then corresponding products. Of course, you can remove, duplicate, or edit your existing routines. Another important feature of data collection relates to skin pictures. This is the gallery of your photos, and you can consult the details of each picture to know related skin evaluation or related routine if needed. But let's start the taking picture process that you are highly encouraged to follow on a regular basis. Here, you can take the front, left, then right view of your face. After that, you can evaluate your skin progress by comparing your current set of pictures with the previous ones. You are invited to evaluate some skin symptoms like acne scars, pimples, or redness. You answer on a 5-level scale whether your skin is worse or better now. Last but not least, we finish on the insight. Through an interactive multi-line chart, you can display the progress of your skin based on the symptoms that you've been evaluating. Higher your score is, better your skin gets. For instance, you notice nice progress around September 2019. Let's go to the routine changes overview to know exactly what you changed at this time. You learn that there you increase your tretinoin cream for a greater concentration. Nice move. Then you can search for the best routine to treat one specific symptom. For instance, to treat acne scars, the displayed routine is the best one with an average skin score of 50%. Finally, some useful bar charts are provided, like the most common ingredients of the products you've been using, or the category or brand distribution of your products. For your information, we mixed the 3 prototypes we've been developing so far in this video. You can find our Figma wireframes, our Glide application, or our Insights Observable HQ notebook in the description below. Thanks for watching.